In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and delete your incognito history in Google Chrome. Now, you might be wondering why this is important. While incognito mode provides a level of privacy by not saving your browsing history on your device, it's still crucial to know how to manage your tracks for complete peace of mind. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser. If you aren't using Chrome, these steps won't apply, so make sure you're in the right place from the get-go. Once you have your browser open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You will see 3 vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, providing several options. Here, you'll want to find and select the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will redirect you to a new tab where you can manage all your browser configurations. In the Settings tab, scroll down until you find a section labeled Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it controls how your browsing data and privacy settings are managed. Once there, you will see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. This option allows you to delete various types of browsing data. A window will pop up, giving you options to select what data you want to clear. Here, you will see a Basic and Advanced tab. Feel free to explore both, but for the context of deleting incognito history, focus on the data types listed in these sections. Under the Advanced tab, make sure that browsing history is unchecked since incognito doesn't save it. However, also make sure download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files are checked, as even in incognito mode, these may still be stored depending on how you use the web. At the top, there's a drop-down asking for the time range. Choose All Time to ensure that no trace remains of your incognito browsing sessions. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click on Clear Data. With that done, you have effectively managed data that might have been accumulated during incognito browsing sessions. It's a smart move to regularly clear cookies and cache, even if you primarily use incognito mode. This not only preserves privacy, but also ensures your browser runs smoothly by freeing up storage. Remember, truly private browsing involves multiple layers of security, including utilizing VPNs and secure networks. However, managing your browser's stored data is an excellent step towards enhanced online privacy. Thank you for joining me on this quick and essential guide for managing your incognito history in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Until next time, stay safe and browse securely.